Are you ready to discover the incredible power of ChatGPT? Get ready to be blown away by some mind boggling numbers. To train this natural language processing model, over 45 terabytes of text were used. That's equivalent to roughly 30 million books or 450 years worth of HD video. But what's even more impressive is the impact that ChatGPT is having on the world. In just the last year, over 50,000 businesses have integrated ChatGPT into their applications and solutions, a whopping 300% increase from the previous year. And it's not just businesses that are harnessing the power of ChatGPT. With over 30 million interactions per day, ChatGPT is everywhere, from social media platforms like Twitter and Reddit to personal assistants like Siri and Alexa. So, are you curious about what ChatGPT can do for you? In this course, we'll take you through a structural roadmap of key concepts and practical use cases for ChatGPT in a business setting. We'll cover different AI models under OpenAI, discussing their advantages and disadvantages. But don't worry, we won't dive into the mathematical theory behind the models. Instead, we will focus on how to integrate ChatGPT into Microsoft applications like Power Apps, Teams, using no-code platforms like Bubble and Webflow. By the end of the course, you will have a full application and solution walkthrough of ChatGPT. Even if you're already interacting with ChatGPT using the conversation interface within the OpenAI, this course will teach you how to integrate it into your own applications. So, let's dive in and discover the amazing potential of ChatGPT. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you so much.